I am inviting and challenging every nurse and all healthcare workers and all that care for the sick to allow Jesus, the divine mercy, to transform their hearts into his merciful presence. Jesus told St. Faustina, "These rays of mercy will pass through you as they have passed through this host, and they will go out through the world. Let your heart be the window that allows the rays of mercy to pass through you to your suffering patients." I have great news. As a result of 3.5 years of research and writing, with help from the Marians, as well as the Oblates of the Virgin Mary, the Marian Helper Center just printed and released today the book that I wrote, the manual for nurses and healthcare workers, Nursing with the Hands of Jesus, a guide to nurses for divine mercy. In this pocket-sized book, you have everything you need to train nurses and other healthcare providers and workers in the Divine Mercy devotion as it applies to the sick, the injured, and the dying. It is the first spiritual nursing education program in the United States ever given the honor of continuing education credits for nurses. In my book, I discuss how nurses and healthcare workers must take a leadership role in coordinating the pastoral care team by training family members how to pray the Divine Mercy Chaplet and to place the miraculous image of Jesus, the Divine Mercy, at the bedside. Please take this message personally. Be positively sure that your patient receives the benefit of the anointing of the sick, the sacrament of reconciliation, and Holy Communion whenever possible. Last year, I gave a pack of the Divine Mercy images to my spiritual director, Father Jim Montanaro, an oblate of the Virgin Mary. He called me from New Jersey and asked me to call a nurse who wanted to become a nurse for Divine Mercy. I was shocked when he told me, by the way, she has a brain tumor. What? A critically injured nurse who wants to help the sick? Grace Shumko is an intensive care nurse, and she told me she took that image of Divine Mercy into chemotherapy and radiation treatments. I was profoundly affected by the grace of Jesus working through me as a spiritual nurse advocate. I had no idea how much hope this image of Jesus gave Grace with the message of mercy. Please pray for her.